Have you ever wondered what the new high of 5 billion LUNCs in Terra Luna Classic's community pool means for its future? In the world of crypto, this is a question that has recently taken center stage. You see, Terra Luna Classic's community pool has reached a new high, a staggering 5 billion LUNC. It's a colossal sum, no doubt, but what does it mean for the future of this digital asset? While this milestone is a testament to the growing popularity of Terra Luna Classic, it's not all rosy. It turns out the development activity around this crypto has seen a significant decline. Yes, the same energy and enthusiasm that once powered the rise of Terra Luna Classic seem to have dampened. This slowdown in development activity raises some valid concerns about Terra Luna Classic's future. The question is, can this crypto sustain its momentum and continue to attract developers, especially when the landscape is as dynamic as it is in the world of digital assets? It's no secret that attracting developers is crucial for any crypto. After all, it's the developers who build the applications and platforms that make a cryptocurrency useful beyond mere speculation. But the efforts to bring in more developers to Terra Luna Classic have faced challenges, making the task of reviving its utility a daunting one. The decline in development activity and the struggles to attract developers might seem like separate issues, but they are intertwined. The two together could potentially impact the utility of Terra Luna Classic, which in turn could affect its value and popularity among traders. So what does all this mean for Terra Luna Classic? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, the community pool reaching a new high of 5 billion LUNC is a positive sign, pointing to the growing interest in this crypto. On the other hand, the decrease in development activity and the challenges faced in attracting developers present some serious hurdles. With this new high, the future of Terra Luna Classic becomes an intriguing topic of discussion. Will it continue on its upward trajectory, or will the challenges it faces slow its momentum? Only time will tell. Till then, let's keep our eyes on the stars as we navigate the intriguing world of crypto. But what does this mean for the total value locked on the chain? Well, it's important to understand that the amount of value locked on the chain is a measure of the total assets currently being held in a blockchain's smart contracts. It's an indicator of the overall health and activity within a blockchain ecosystem. So when we see a new high in the community pool balance like the 5 billion LUNC milestone Terra Luna Classic recently hit, we'd typically expect a corresponding increase in the total value locked on the chain. However, in this case, we're seeing the opposite. The total value locked on the chain has actually dropped. This is an unusual and somewhat concerning development. So why is this happening? The decline in the total value locked on the chain could be attributed to a number of factors. One key reason is the decrease in development activity. When there's less development work taking place, there's less demand for the tokens locked on the chain, which can result in a decrease in value. Another important factor is the challenges faced in reviving utility and attracting developers. Efforts to breathe new life into the chain and draw in more developers have hit roadblocks. This can also lead to a decline in the total value locked on the chain, as it indicates a potential lack of growth and innovation in the ecosystem. Additionally, other projects linked to the chain like Astroport Classic and TerraSwap have also seen decreased contributions. This can further impact the total value locked on the chain, as these projects are part of the wider ecosystem and their performance can influence the overall value. As the total value locked on the chain drops, it raises questions about the sustainability of this new high. It's a reminder that while reaching new highs can be exciting, it's the overall health and activity of the blockchain ecosystem that truly matters. And right now, that's something Terra Luna Classic needs to address. What impact does this new high have on associated projects like Astroport Classic and TerraSwap? As we delve deeper into this question, we find that the impressive new high for Terra Luna Classic hasn't had the same positive effect on its associated projects. Indeed, there's been a noticeable decline in contributions to projects like Astroport Classic and TerraSwap. Now, this decrease isn't just a number on a balance sheet, it's a pulse check on the overall health and future of Terra Luna Classic. Let's break this down a bit. Imagine a bustling city. The city prospers not just because of its glittering skyscrapers, but due to the vibrant neighborhoods that make up its heart. Similarly, Terra Luna Classic isn't just about its soaring LUNC value. It's also about the associated projects, the smaller neighborhoods that contribute to its overall ecosystem. Astroport Classic and TerraSwap are two such neighborhoods, and a decline in their contributions is akin to these neighborhoods losing their vitality. But what does this mean for Terra Luna Classic? Well, it's a sign that all might not be well in paradise. Healthy contributions to these projects indicate active development and innovation, a sign of a thriving ecosystem. They're a testament to the robustness of the platform, attracting developers and investors alike. When contributions to these projects decline, it can signal a slowing down of this vibrancy, potentially affecting the overall health of Terra Luna Classic. To put it another way, if these projects are the engines that drive Terra Luna Classic, a decline in contributions could mean these engines are losing steam. This could slow down the platform's momentum and potentially affect its future trajectory. This is not to say that the future of Terra Luna Classic is bleak. Far from it. But it's a gentle reminder that the health of a crypto ecosystem isn't just about its headline numbers. It's also about the smaller cogs in the machine and their contributions to the overall engine. The decline in contributions to these projects could potentially affect the future of Terra Luna Classic. As always, it will be fascinating to see how this plays out in the dynamic world of crypto. So, what does the rejection of a dedicated team proposal and the decrease in LUNC and USTC prices tell us? Well, let's delve into it. The rejection of a dedicated team proposal is a significant event in the life of a blockchain project. It indicates a lack of consensus within the community, a critical ingredient for the success of any decentralized initiative. When validators cite centralization risks and conflicts with PaperJob as reasons for opposing certain proposals, it's a sign that the community is not ready to compromise on its core values, even if it means turning down a potential opportunity for growth and development. Moreover, the decrease in LUNC and USTC prices is another telling indicator. It's a reflection of market sentiment and trader interest, which seem to be on a downward trajectory for Terra Luna Classic. When prices drop, it's often a result of a decrease in demand. This could be due to a variety of reasons, from a lack of faith in the project's future, perceived instability, or simply traders seeking out more promising opportunities elsewhere. These factors combined paint a picture of waning trader interest. It's not just about the rejection of a proposal or the dip in prices, it's about the implications they hold for the future of the project. A community divided on its path forward, coupled with a decrease in demand for its native tokens, could lead to a slowdown in development, fewer innovations, and ultimately, a decline in relevance in the highly competitive crypto market. However, it's also important to remember that the crypto market is famously unpredictable, and sentiment can change rapidly. Today's concerns may be tomorrow's opportunities. The Terra Luna Classic community still has a vast pool of resources at its disposal, and with the right strategies and decisions, it might be able to turn the tide. The rejection of proposals and the decrease in prices signal a potential shift in trader interest, adding another layer of complexity to the future of Terra Luna Classic.